I'm Joy. Welcome to Honey, I'm a Home Chef.
Oh my heaven. You did it again.
So tonight the girls are going to see, what is it, a Taylor Swift movie?
Concert, yeah.
A concert movie. Oh
yes, we're excited.
It seems very exciting. And as badly as I wanted to join them, they twisted my arm and forced me to stay home. So I figured I'll feed the herd before they leave. Today I'm feeling pasta. What about you?
Oh yes, I love a good pasta.
So we're using Celentani pasta.
Yep.
Kind of like a funky elbow noodle.
Notice I got a couple different options
I
for
saw
you.
that you got the macaroni noodles, but this is what I really wanted.
Okay.
So cool. So I got some water going back here. Of course, we'll dump it in, salt the pasta like you always do. You know, I saw a thing, they said don't put oil in your pasta. Someone said that the other day.
I've always done that.
I do too because of the stickiness, but they say
Yeah.
you really shouldn't. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll strain it hella fast so that I can reserve some water like inside the shell and quickly dump it in. Like, so basically I'm going to have my sauce done. Everything's ready to combine, and then I'm going to strain, dump.
Okay.
Because I always forget to reserve water. So I'll remember that. You got breast fillets, which really don't look much like fillets to me, so I'll half those, tenderize, olive oil, salt, pepper.
Okay.
Put them on the flat top when I get the flat top out. To make our cheese sauce, build a roux. So typical roux. Butter, I'll probably use like 1.5 sticks because it's a pretty hefty meal. Flour, cut it with some chicken broth and heavy whipping cream. Whisk it up until it's nice and smooth, and then we got 3 cheeses going in. We got the pièce de résistance.
It is
expensive,
bomb.
$11.
$11.
But we're going to use that whole thing. And then mozzarella that we already grated up recently. And then we'll probably use some of this Parmesan in the sauce, like a cup or so. And then some we'll just grate over the top when it's ready. And then we got some fancy stuff we're going to put in after everything's combined when it finishes cooking. Oh, and then we'll probably pop a bottle. That's why I had you get this. It's not for cooking. I just figured we'd have a glass of wine.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty much it. You got it. So we'll get the chicken on now. Cook it nice and hot. Speaking of chicken, oh, and you're going to a movie tonight. You know what movies hens like?
What movie what?
What kind of movies hens like? You know, chickens, hens,
I don't know.
chick flicks.
Oh, honey.
I thought you were going to be pessimistic. You know what a pessimistic rooster says?
Oh gosh, what?
Cockadoodle don't.
You're such a dork. Oh, my dad jokes. Oh, my dad jokes. All right, so chicken's going to cook, and then
So I'll flip it here in a couple
that's
minutes.
still boiling. Is that ready to go in?
No, so as soon as I'm getting ready to start the
Oh, that
cheese
looks
sauce,
so good. Yeah.
that's right when I'll dump the pasta and salt the water and everything. But I think for now, I want to get the chicken done, out of the way, resting. And I'd rather have everything finished at the same time. You know?
You know. Okay. go.
Let's serve it. This will be you.
Oh, wow, that's a lot.
Oh,
I am hungry, though.
well, I try to make it pretty.
Well, it's hard to scoop that out. Oh,
You ready for some parm on this?
ready. I should have shut our water off. Here we go. Oh, it's gonna be so hot. Okay, I'm trying to get spinach.